The Kuper Swt-Hl is the ultimate solution for professional use for planing and molding machines in skilled trades and industry. Robust, powerful, and extremely dynamic. This high-performance machine is not only reliable and durable, it boasts a comprehensive range of options, giving users a host of customizable opportunities. The innovative Co.KG controller facilitates both electronic operation and the tried-and-true manual operation. State-of-the-art frequency converter technology allows variable speeds of up to 9,000 revolutions per minute and permits a gentle startup of the powerful spindle motors. Your advantage? Huge axial adjustment ranges ensure maximum flexibility with short setup times. The ergonomic concept of the Kuper Swt-Hl convinces with a host of highlights. Easy-to-operate spindle settings, motor-supported, large soundproofed protective covers for optimum accessibility, extremely bright LED lighting, easy-to-read digital displays, and much more. Crank spindles are used for shorter planing tables. Dimensionally accurate settings are easily, conveniently, and precisely controlled via digital displays. When it comes to speed, the Kuper Swt-Hl demonstrates its brilliant best. Horizontal counter bearings guarantee an optimum surface, even at the highest feed speeds. This applies in particular in combination with a straight joiner. The circular movement of all blades is leveled here. By the way, Kuper also supplies jointer systems for profile tools. Kuper clever. High processing speeds require the right feed. Here too, the Kuper Swt-Hl can be precisely adjusted to your feed requirements, easily and conveniently. Looking for extra power and maximum speed? Then the Kuper Swt-Hl is your best choice. Large cross-sections, high productivity, superior surface quality, and a particularly high value. Our reliable Kuper service team will support you even after the purchase, with individual consultation, sound knowledge, prompt, and Kuper-friendly, far beyond the borders of Germany. Kuper. Solid wood processing for professionals.